Alright, so today we are going to the Kodawari open house. It's just like a small car meet. Figured we'd take the 240 out and go for a little drive, but I still gotta wash it because it's dirty from CSCS just a couple days ago, which hopefully you guys saw and enjoyed that video. But for now, let me get the 240 out of the garage, and then Tej and I behind the camera are about to go see what this open house car meet is all about.
Woo!
I don't actually wash my car to get it clean. I just kind of spray off all the road grime. It's never that clean.
Car is now clean. It's squeaky clean. I'm so excited, guys. I swear it looks blue in every single lighting. It looks blue just like right here.
I don't know why she always tells people to comment things down below. Comment down below. Does it look blue? The car's washed. And now it's time to go.
Yeah, absolutely. It sticks. It's 100%. Absolutely. I was unfortunate enough to spin this on ride. Oh yeah?
Honestly, the meet was pretty cool. I don't even know what we got on camera or what, but we showed up, saw a couple homies, parked, looked at the cars, filmed the cars. So she can drive stick, but she's never driven this car before, and the clutch is crazy.
Promises.
No promises. All right, well, we'll see. I'm just standing on a rock. Oh, my phone's ringing. Hello?
I'm in the parking lot.
Come back.
Yeah. Where's your reverse again?
Just pull a U-turn.
I can't.
Why not?
I'm in the little parking lot. And there's not enough space.
Reverse is all the way to the right and back. It's worth 6s in the other car.
I thought so, but
There's no backup camera. There's nothing to tell you that it's in reverse.
I'm learning this car. I'm getting out of here.
Is he kicking you out?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not. I can't. That's a long walk, babe. Say if you need me or not. Say it now.
I don't need help.
Okay. See you soon. Bye. It's not an easy car to drive. It's kind of overwhelming, you know. Like the clutch is super grabby. It's got a welded diff. You're chirping, and you know it's got a small steering wheel, so you kind of got to work it a bit. And it's got a lot of angle, which those are off because when you try to make a tight turn, but you're turning it like at a crazy amounts of angle, you can't just let off the clutch because it won't go. Oh, she's coming back. I hear her. How's it feeling? I think that's a wrap for today's video. You know, hopefully it was somewhat enjoyable. We didn't really do much. We just washed the car, went to a car meet, drove the 240 a little bit. But we're gonna wrap it up here, put the car back in the garage, and get some rest or something like that. So I guess stay tuned. We'll see what it is that we do next. Hopefully it's exciting. And just an FYI, there is a new car that we will introduce shortly. Soon enough, we'll introduce it to the channel.
Should
but
we give
for
a
now,
teaser? Should
nope,
we give a nickname?
No. Anyway, see you guys next time. Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. I just ran right over the mat.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I didn't take it out.
That's it.